Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Beige. If you're new here, welcome. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and comment down below before you leave. Today's video is going to be a tutorial on this wig sent to me from Lamourhairs. I'll have all of their information, the promo codes, and direct links to the wig worn in this video down below in the description box. So the name of the wig that I was sent is in the style Alyssa. Alyssa is an HD lace body wave wig. The length that I received is 18 inches. The density is 180%. The cap construction is a 13x6 HD lace wig with deep parting space. The wig features HD lace, a clean hairline, and clean bleached knots. Lamourhairs is offering $20 off using the code BEIGE, that's B-E-I-G-E, for $20 off. They also offer free shipping and free return shipping as well. I did co-wash this hair off camera. So the first thing that I'm going to do as far as customizing is plucking some hairs from the hairline. Of course, you do not have to do this. This is always optional, but I like my wigs to look a lot more natural. To pluck some of that extra density from the hairline, I'll be doing the beige method of zigzag plucking and parting. I am completely satisfied with how the hairline is looking. I think it looks so natural and I am so excited to style this wig. The second thing that I'm going to do is grab lace tint. I choose not to wear any wig caps underneath my wigs, and because I don't do that, it is hard to make the wig look natural because you will be able to see my cornrows through the lace. And because of that fact, I like to tint the lace of my wigs. I do use two colors of lace tints. The first color that I use is the color of my scalp, and I spray that on the inner portion of the frontal. The second color that I use is the color of my foundation, and I spray that on the outer portion of the frontal along the hairline. I do 2 layers of each color of lace tint, and then I blow dry in between each layer. So now that we have custom colored our lace, it is now time to style this hair. Grabbing Carrick Hair's styling wax stick, I'm going to apply that to the hairline of the wig and then use my pressing comb to smooth these hairs backwards. Now that these hairs are perfectly smooth backwards, it's now time to cut off the extra lace. Grabbing a pair of zigzag scissors, I'm just going to carefully follow the hairline of the wig to remove that extra lace. Now that that lace is removed, it's now time to prep my skin for install. Grabbing alcohol, I'm going to clean off my forehead, then grab scalp protector from Walker tape and apply that to my scalp. Okay, so now I'm just going to grab Eben New York's Wonder Lace Bond. Taking the wig and spraying it on the under portion of the lace, I'm going to apply a thin layer of that to the hairline and then blow dry for a few seconds so that it becomes tacky. Grabbing the wig, I'm going to place it on my head in its proper placement. Then I'm going to put my headscarf on for a few minutes to allow that lace bond to set. So my hairline is more rounded than it is square, and it is a different shape from the frontal. Because of that fact, I did have to apply baby hairs, and I did that off camera to save time. I also did do a middle part down the center of my head off camera to save time. Now that I'm back, I'm just going to apply more of that wax stick to the parting space just so that I can smooth it out and have the hairs going in their proper direction. Using my pressing comb, I'm just going to smooth that product through. So now that I have a clean part, I'm going to grab my brush and detangle that section. Grabbing a small rubber band, it is now time to create those cute bows. To do that, I'm just going to start wrapping my rubber band around like I am doing a bun or a ponytail. When I get to the tightest loop, I am going to twist the hair so that all of the ends of the ponytail is coming forward. And now I have a loop and hair coming forward, if that makes any sense. I can show you guys this better than I can explain, so please watch carefully. So the goal is to have your loop standing firmly like this one on this side, And once your loop is standing firmly, it is easy for you to fan the hair outwards. The secret to getting a stiff loop is to use a very small rubber band. So now that we have the perfect loop, I'm taking my 2 thumbs, placing it in the inner loop and fanning the hair outwards. Using my thumbs again, I'm going to separate that 1 loop into 2 loops by splitting it down the center. Then I'm going to use my brush to smooth out those hairs. Grabbing the extra hairs, I'm just going to flip it backwards in between those 2 loops and then bobby pin it. Now we see our gorgeous bow. Doing the same thing on the other side, I'm just going to fan the hair out, smooth the ends, separate that loop into 2 loops, then use the ends to flip backwards, bobby pin it in the back, and then fan our 2 loops. We have the cutest 2 bow ties. So adorable. Don't forget to comment down below if you are loving these bow ties or if you learned something new from this video. To save time, I did style those baby hairs, and then I also curled the bottom half of the hair because this is a 13x6 lace frontal. It is not a full lace wig, so I wasn't able to do 2 full ponytails at the top. I was only able to part within the lace frontal portion of the wig, which makes this a half up, half down hairstyle. So the bottom half of the wig I did just curl off camera. Next, I'm just going to use some hairspray just to stiffen up my bow ties, just to make sure that the hairs don't fly away and that they stay in place all day. And here is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, don't forget to leave them down below in the comment section. I'll have all of the information, the promo codes, and direct links to the wig worn in this video down below in the description box, so don't forget to check out Lamourhairs for more information. Let's chat all about this hairstyle down below in the comment section. I'm so obsessed with it. I think this is the cutest hairstyle, and I got so many compliments just going outside taking pictures with this hairstyle. Such an adorable look. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give this video a huge thumbs up, and comment down below before you leave. And I can't wait to see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.
Beige, Ojai. Yeah, that's right. It's beige, Ojai.